Rob. Hey, Rob. Hey, Rob, can you give us that hot scoop on that information you were telling us about earlier that we needed for our lives to make decisions?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm in the crick. The old crick. And let me tell you what, there's just a wealth. There's just so, there's so much down here. I really want to just take you on a little journey right now. Come with me. You seeing this? You gotta get it. I like to get the kicks out. A lot of people are just like, what do you do for your kicks? And I'm just like, I put my foot out. Check it out. But mostly, you check this out. Follow me here. You see me? Ah! I'm going through these sticks.
I feel like we're really...
These sticks real good.
We're really encouraging the general population to get outdoors.
Oh, there's a good amount of slosh down here.
And just find some neat things on the way.
Yeah, I can really hear what you're. I get you. And this is There's like a good acoustic factor. Are you getting that?
Hey, Rob. Hey, what are you seeing down there, buddy?
Do you like that something in the beef of the beef time? Oh, and then there's
I was getting a little worried you were gonna go in there for a minute.
Oh, it's a little muddy. It's a little bit muddy. It's a little bit muddy and stuff, but you can really see.
Rob, how do you feel about plastics?
I'm here.
Can you talk about the plastics that you see and how they're impacting your quality of life?
Yeah, I also just really like how there's just a little bit of water in here. You can see it's just a little bit, but don't drink it. You don't want to drink the water in the crick. That's another tip. Don't drink the water in the crick. You don't want to drink it.
Hey, Rob. Hey, Rob. Can you give us... So, Rob, a lot of our viewers have written in and asking us about giving them some advice for what they can do in the outdoors and what are some activities...
I'm hearing you say, what can our viewers do? What can your viewers do for chicken cacciatore down in the crick? There's not a ton of chicken cacciatore, but there's also not zero chicken cacciatore. If you know where to look, and I'm here to show you where to find the chicken cacciatore here in the crick. Here, just follow me. Just follow me here. You'll get a good amount of chicken cacciatore just under the underbrush. You really want to, hang on a second. Okay, here's a good place. Here's a good place. Did you see that? That was prime. That was some primo stuff. Oh, here's another good feature. If you look down in there.
Hey,
yeah.
Rob.
Yeah?
So just before we wrap up this show, can you give us a couple safety tips? We know that people want to be outside, they want to do these fun activities. They want to have a healthy lifestyle outside in the outdoors, but can you give us a couple safety tips just to avoid any extreme hazards and pitfalls of the area?
If you're down in the crick, you do want to be safe. There's a lot of things to consider. Number one, and first and foremost, number one is if you see something like this, you see this? You see that? This is not a nature rock. This is not a nature rock, and it could be dangerous. Don't touch the rocks if they're not in nature. That's number one. Number two is always have a good footing. Check this out. Whenever I put my foot in a place, I really make sure it's in a good place. really want to make sure my foot is where it needs to be before I move the other foot. Oh, here's another safety tip. You see trees like this? This is a tree you want to steer clear of. This tree over here, I don't like it. I don't like it. I think it's got some ancient omens, or just bad spirits, or I don't think it shares. I don't think it's like a nice friend tree. I think this tree over here, you see this one? I just think it's mean. So for safety, stay away from it. This one over here. Is that it?
All right. Thanks so much, Rob. I think that was really good information that you just gave us. So,
okay.
Have a good day, everybody.
Okay. Wait, I gotta go back up there. Remember to keep a good footing. Ow!